Are you looking for to clear browse or product history on Snapchat? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now simply head over to your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile, click on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll all the way down and in the section of privacy control, move into clear data. You can see the option of delete search history. Click on it and then once again click on delete. Once deleted, now you have to go back and move into the settings once again. Inside settings, scroll all the way up and move into browser settings. You have to click on clear cache and browser history. Tap on clear. And there you go, the browser history has been cleared successfully. So this is simply how you can clear browser or product history on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.